Hello and welcome to the UPSC Quick Revision series. Today we'll discuss one of the most powerful and respected positions in the Indian parliamentary system, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The Speaker not only presides over the sittings of the Lok Sabha but also serves as the head of the House and the guardian of his powers and privileges. This position plays a pivotal role in ensuring the smooth and orderly functioning of the parliamentary democracy in India. So, our discussion today will focus on four key aspects: the process of election, constitutional status, major powers, and the issues surrounding their impartiality. Let us begin with the process of election. As per Article 93 of the Constitution, the Lok Sabha shall, as soon as may be, choose two of its members to the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker. The Speaker is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha through a simple majority, and in practice, the candidate from the ruling party generally elected as the Speaker. Once elected, the Speaker continues to hold office as long as they remain a member of the Lok Sabha. They may resign at any time by submitting their resignation to the Deputy Speaker. Moreover, they can also be removed from office through a resolution passed by the House, a process that ensures accountability to the members. Moving forward, let us understand the role and the powers of the Speaker. The primary responsibility of the Speaker is to ensure that the House functions in a smooth and disciplined manner. They are entrusted with maintaining order and decorum during debates and ensuring that parliamentary proceedings are conducted in accordance with the rules of procedure. In case of any ambiguity, it is the Speaker who interprets the rules and their decision is considered final and binding. Furthermore, the Speaker may adjourn the House in the event of the lack of quorum, and they also exercise a casting vote when votes are equally divided. In other words, the Speaker votes only to break a tie, not in the first instance. In addition to these general responsibilities, the Speaker enjoys several special powers. The first of these relates to money bills. Under Article 110, the decision regarding whether a bill is a money bill or not rests solely with the Speaker, and their decision in this matter is final and cannot be questioned. The second special power concerns joint sittings of Parliament. Whenever a deadlock arises between the two houses over an ordinary bill, a joint sitting is convened under Article 108. In such a session, it is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha who presides over the proceedings and not the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. This clearly highlights the preeminent position of the Speaker in Indian parliamentary structure. Another significant area of the Speaker's authority lies under the 10th schedule of the Constitution, popularly known as the Anti-Defection Law. Under this provision, the Speaker decides on the disqualification of the members on the grounds of defection. However, in the landmark Kihoto-Holohan case 1992, the Supreme Court clarified that the Speaker's decisions in such cases are subject to judicial review. Furthermore, the process of removing a Speaker is not easy. Under Article 94, the Speaker can be removed only by a resolution passed by an effective majority of the House with a 14-day prior notice. Now, let us examine the issue of impartiality. The Speaker is expected to act as a neutral and impartial authority, serving as the guardian of the House, rather than as a representative of any political party. To safeguard this independence, their salary and allowances are charged upon the Consolidated Fund of India, meaning they are not subject to vote in the Parliament. However, unlike in Britain, Indian speakers do not resign from their political parties after being elected to the post. This has often led to allegations of bias, particularly in the cases involving defections or disqualification of members, posing a major challenge to the credibility of the office. Now, let's test our understanding with a few quick practice questions. So, that was a quick overview of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, their election, powers, functions, and the challenges of maintaining impartiality. Which topic would you like to revise next? Tell us in the comments below. Till then, keep watching Vision IAS Quick Revision series.